Hi guys, in today's video I am going to tell you how to find a job using AI. So let's get started with the video without wasting time. Now you can see this page on my screen. You can access this by clicking the link in my description box, and after you'll click that you will land on this page. Okay, so now you have to click on get started. First you need to sign up. I'll sign in with Google. Now you need to click on create a new loop. Here you need to type your job title. I'll type business analyst. Then you need to add a location. Here you need to add your experience and your job type. Then here you need to upload your CV. I'll just drag and drop my CV. Then click on next. Okay, so from here you need to select your email template. Here are some options. You can select from these options. I'll click on ask for opportunities. It will auto-generate your email. You just need to add your job title and job location. Then you need to click save. Then click on send test email. Then click on next. From here you can select companies that will not be part of your search. And here you need to select a keyword that will be present in job posting. You can also automatically send emails. You can on and off it from here. You can also autofill form application. Then click on next. Now the last step is to review the detail and then you can start your loop. After you check your detail, you can start the loop from here. And as you can see, the process has started. You can also edit your loop. You can see your loop result here and loop starts here. This is how you can find a job using AI. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.